Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the extension of VS Code, that is Peacock. It's a great extension which is used to change the workspace color. Ideal when you have multiple VS Code instances and you want to quickly identify which is which. So let's quickly see how it's work. So I have already installed it. Now just click Ctrl Shift P, or you can also click F1, and here it is, peacock change favorite color. Click on it and here it is. Wow, it's beautiful. You can see the different colors: angular red, azure blue, javascript yellow, Mandalorian blue, Node green, React blue, something different, Svelte orange, and Vue green. So they have basically given the front end frameworks names also, and also the backend. So it's great to have it. Uh, you can see that how you can change. Let's select one JavaScript yellow. Select it, and when you close it and reopen it, it will retain that color. So it's very useful if you are using multiple windows and you want to switch between them. Let's say you are working on Node.js as a backend and React as a front end. So change both color and you will easily know which which workspace is for which end, front or back end. So it's a great extension. If you want to reset this color, you can also reset it. See there, I have opened their official documentation. You can open it from here. There is a command, which there are many commands in which you can remove global space color, enter a color. You can also enter custom color. You can color to peacock green, surprise with random color, change to favorite color. Then you can also save your uh, color also with different name. So let's say you are working on PHP or Python or any other language which are not mentioned in the list, so you can customly create them also. Now reset the color, set, so color is reset. So you can also reset it after you have worked on it, or you want to change the color. So that's it. Do install it. It's a great extension. I like it. You will also like it. Thank you.